Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Edusta's online class. You're watching Class 4 Science. Today, we are going to revise Lesson 3 Animals Growing in Numbers. Do you remember, kids, what we have learned in Lesson 3? Let me explain. The reason why animals reproduce, the different ways by which animals reproduce, care given by animals to their young ones, life cycle of hen, butterfly, frog, cockroach, and grasshopper. Let us start. A small recap of this lesson. Just listen this. What is reproduction? All living things live for some years. They grow, become old, and finally die. To continue the life on the earth, all living things reproduce young ones of their own kind. The process by which animals produce their young ones is called reproduction. Animals can reproduce in two ways: by directly giving birth to young ones, by laying eggs, out of which a baby hatches after a specific period of time. First one, animals that give birth to young ones. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their own milk are called mammals. Mammals have well developed sense organs and brain. Most of them have hair on their bodies. Dogs, cats, elephants, cows, and human beings are examples of mammals. Bat is a mammal that can fly. Dolphins and whales are mammals that live in water. Animals that lay eggs. Several animals reproduce by laying eggs. Birds, fishes, insects, frogs, snakes, and crocodiles are some animals that lay eggs. Birds. So, all birds such as crows, sparrows, hens, and eagles reproduce by laying eggs. The female birds lay eggs in nest. Now, we will see the internal structure of an egg. Each egg has a hard but thin protective outer covering called eggshell. Inside the shell, there is a white jelly-like substance called albumen. Albumen is rich in proteins. There is a yellow substance called yolk. It is rich in fats, vitamins, and minerals. This is a life cycle of a hen. So, the first stage is egg. Inside the egg, the yolk contains food for a growing baby called embryo. The embryo undergoes various developmental changes and grows into a chick. The parent bird keeps the egg warm by sitting on it. This is called incubation. The fully grown chick breaks the egg and come out in about 21 days. This is called hatching. The young ones do not have feathers and their eyes are closed. The parent birds feeds and teach them how to fly. The parent birds look after their young ones till they are strong enough to look after themselves. The next one is life cycle of a frog. A frog lay a cluster of eggs on the surface place in the water. The cluster of eggs is called spawn. The baby frogs called tadpole come out of eggs in about 3 weeks. They look like a tiny fish and breathe through gills. This is the tadpole with 2 legs. After few weeks, it has 4 legs. The tadpole gradually lost their tails and develop legs. After a specific period of time, they become adult frog. The process of conversion of a tadpole into adult frog is called metamorphosis. The parent frogs also take care of their babies, but only for a short time. Next, we will see the life cycle of a grasshopper. Grasshopper lay eggs and hatch into small babies called nymph. They look like their parent but are small and do not have wings. After molting several times, they become adult. It has wings. So the same process will continue for the life cycle of cockroach. The young one of cockroach is called nymph. After few months, it will become an adult. Next, we will see the life cycle of a butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages. Egg. Butterflies do not take care of their young ones, but they make sure that food is available close by. They stick their eggs under the leaves of plant. For example, the monarch butterfly sticks its eggs to the milkweed plant. The egg has a hard shell and is lined with wax. Next one is larva. A larva or caterpillar soon come out. It breathes through its skin and uses its antennas to move around. As its eyes are very weak, it becomes so fat that it has to shed its skin and develop a new one. This goes on till it enters a pupal stage after 2 weeks. The next stage is called pupa. The pupa wraps a fine fiber around itself that forms a cocoon. At this time, the animal inside the cocoon is like a tomato soup. Every part of it gets rearranged. The last stage is called adult butterfly. When the adult is ready to come out, the cocoon breaks open. What comes out is not a caterpillar but a pretty butterfly. It has colorful wings to fly. It can suck nectar from flowers. Okay, students. This is a time for activity. Here, today we are going to do 2 activities. One is, we are going to do a life cycle of a butterfly using some other things. Here I given 2 kinds of activity. First one, using paper plates, color paper and beads. And next one is using clay. Use different colors clay and make it your own. Can you see that? Yes. Use the paper plate and cut the color paper as leaf, butterfly like this and make it your own. With the help of your parent, you can do it. Okay, students. The next one, you are going to make a hatching chick. How beautiful is this, isn't it? So let you know how you will do this. First step, take the A4 sheet and draw the oval shape like this. Next, fill the oval with yellow color using crayons and eyes with black color an orange color paper for nose. The next step, take a brown sheet, trace the oval shape and cut the paper. Place the glue on the edges of the paper. Don't place the glue at the center. Now paste the brown colored paper on the A4 sheet. Make it to dry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, make a hole or tear the paper at the center. Now you can see the hatching chick. Will you do it, children? Yes. Do these two activities and send through mail. Next, this is a time for worksheet. Already we are written the worksheet for lesson 1 and 2. This is the worksheet for lesson 3. This is your sample page. Next, open your book, lesson 3. Underline the words, important words from page number 19, 20, 21 and 22. Use the pencil and underline the important words. And you are going to start to write the worksheet. First one, important words. Here I am given 11 words from page number 19. Now after this you are going to write the words from 20, 21, 22 also. Next one, fill in the blanks. We'll discuss the answer. Birds reproduce by dash, laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. The answer is laying eggs. The large cluster of frogs' eggs is called spawn or nymph? Spawn. Lizards lay their eggs in water on the ground. Animals that feed their young ones with their own milk is called mammals. Mammals breathe with the help of skin or lungs. The process of shedding old skin by animals is called incubation or molting. It is called molting. The jelly-like white color substance that is present inside the egg cell is called albumen or yolk. It's called albumen. Eighth one, dash lay eggs on leaf. Frog or butterfly, which one lay eggs on leaf? Butterfly. The process of changes from the young form to an adult form is called metamorphosis or reproduction. It's called metamorphosis. Human beings or mammals or reptiles? Called mammals. The tadpole grows into fish or frog? Frog. The young one of the frog is called tadpole. Yes. Inside the yolk, there is a growing baby called albumen or embryo. The process of producing young ones is called reproduction or incubation. Reproduction. The habit of animals sitting on their eggs in order to keep them warm is called hatching or incubation. Incubation. Dash is the resting stage in the life cycle of a butterfly, pupa or caterpillar? Answer is pupa. Okay, students. Next, draw the table like this. Here, what you are going to do this. First one, write the name of the animal. Here I am giving 6 animals. Next, you will write the young one of the given animal. The next column, you are going to write whether the given animal is giving birth to young ones or it is laying eggs. So you are going to choose which type of reproduction is going by the animal. Okay. First one, cow. The young one of cow is called calf. Whether it is laying eggs or give birth to young ones, it is giving birth to young ones. Okay. The remaining things you will find out the answer and write it in your worksheet. So worksheet you have 3 parts: important words, fill in the blanks and the table. Okay students, complete it and send through mail and keep it safe. Thank you, students. Have a good day.